Welcome to QuickBooks Desktop Automator. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the basics of using Automator to seamlessly move information from Shopify into QuickBooks Desktop. We will see how QuickBooks Web Connector can request data from Automator periodically. Automator will then get orders, customers, stock items, inventory items and payments and automatically insert it into QuickBooks Desktop. No more need to retype or copy and paste. The Automator setup only has to be done once. After that, Automator will send through the data automatically, each time it receives a request from QuickBooks Desktop. In order to transfer your information, you will need the following. 1. A Shopify account. 2. A QuickBooks Desktop program running on your computer. 3. You'll need to open your company file in QuickBooks Desktop. Let's get started. Log into your Shopify store. Install QuickBooks Automator from the Shopify App Store. The Automator welcome screen will be displayed. Click on Start. The pricing plan screen will now be displayed. You now have to select a plan for Automator. For now, I will select the starter plan for $6.50 per month. This plan allows you to export the details of up to 150 orders per month. A side note for developers can use Automator free of charge for as long as the shop is in development. The free 7-day trial will come into effect when the shop goes live. You can discontinue the free 7 days trial at any stage. Click on the Sign Up Now button of the starter plan. Click on Start Free Trial to start your free 7 days trial. The starter panel will now highlight the selected plan. Click on Next and the terms and conditions will be displayed. Read through and click Accept. Now you need to connect your QuickBooks Desktop account. Enter a password to use when you connect to QuickBooks Web Connector. You can use any password, but you need to supply the same password when connecting to the QuickBooks Web Connector later on. Click on Save to Server and your password will be saved. Click on the Download QWC file button. The QWC file will start downloading to your computer. Select Open with QuickBooks Web Connector. Press OK. The Authorize New Web Service dialog will be displayed. Read through it. Click on OK to grant Automator access to the QuickBooks Web Connector. Click on the checkbox next to the application and enter the password you saved above as your password. Finally, click on Update Selected and wait until the application progress displays 100%. Switch back to your browser and click on Next Page. You now have to tell Automator which accounts to use by selecting the accounts from the drop-downs below. If there are no accounts in the drop-downs, follow the 4 steps shown here. After you have selected all accounts, click on Next Page. We have now reached the end of the setup. At the top of the screen you will now see a menu. You can make changes to any of the options you have set. On the screen, a date range is displayed, with the current date filled in. Switch to the QuickBooks Web Connector and then click on Update Selected. If there are any transactions in Shopify, they will be exported to QuickBooks. Click on the Reload Page button in Automator to reload the page to see which orders have been exported. This concludes the setup. Please note that, although there is the option to set the update interval down to a minute, we recommend that you set it to 30 minutes. Our servers are set up to ignore update requests of less than 30 minutes. This concludes the tutorial. Thank you for listening.